Welcome to the Lazy Unlocked channel. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. And if you're a returning subscriber, as usual, thank you for your subscription and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you all my top 5 reasons and why I decided to lock my hair over 5 years ago. This video is going to be geared towards anybody who may be watching and maybe you're still trying to figure out if you should lock your hair. You're trying to put the pros and cons list together to try to decide if locking your hair is right for you. I know locking your hair can be a very convincing process where you have to really put the pros and cons and figure out if you should or shouldn't lock your hair. Instead of telling you why you should or shouldn't lock your hair in this video, I decided that I'll just give you all my 5 reasons why I decided to lock my hair and why I am never looking back to being unlocked. So definitely stay tuned and we'll get into those 5 reasons right now. So the first reason I decided to lock my hair is because I was personally ready for change. I was ready to really embark on a change with my hair. I know some women decide that they want to cut their hair, do a big chop, or just do a baldy, like a Caesar cut for change. I didn't want to go that extreme, but I did want to do something to my hair that would be something different that I've never done before, but that will also be unique to me. The second reason why I decided to lock my hair is because I was about tired of salons. I started my lock journey when I was, I believe, 26 or 27. Probably around that. It was 5 years ago. I'm 33 now, so I think I was like around 26, 27. At that point in time, I did a lot to my hair. My first sewing was at 12 years old. So I've just been doing the sewings, I've been doing the cornrows, the micro braids. Well, actually I never had micro braids, but I definitely was the sewing queen. I always had my sewings. I had my cornrows. What else did I do? Of course, the bleaching and the perms and the wig caps. Well, I had a wig cap done. I pretty much did everything that you would basically do if you are relaxed and you're into like doing your hair different ways. And I just got tired of it. I got tired of always having to book appointments to get my hair done. I got tired of always having to wait to do my hair and be in the hair salon for hours on top of hours when to do my hair literally only took maybe an hour and a half the most. I got tired of the unprofessionalism of a lot of hairstylists. I usually went to 1 or 2, but there was times where I wanted to experiment with other hairstylists because you never know what will work for you unless you experiment and see what's out there. I was just tired of it. I was tired of also being nitpicked because of my hair texture. I do have coarse, high density hair, and that was always a problem for stylists for some reason when I was doing sewings. I remember one time I went and tried this up and coming celebrity stylist. Now she's actually a celebrity stylist, and I went to her to do my hair and she wanted to just do these fish braids on my hair, like these fish braids going back, like to set it off, but like 4 of them. And that's not how I get my sewings. Like, I like to get my sewings with a beehive or a certain braid pattern. And I explained that to her and she was just like, she did it, but she was like talking over my head like, I never had to do this before and this is crazy, and yeah, but she got mad hair and I'm just like, oh man. So y'all already know how that goes. I just wanted her to finish my hair so I could get up and get out, but whatever. I was young at that time, and at that point I was kind of thinking to myself, all right, this is not gonna work for me. And I just didn't want to deal with salons anymore. Like, I just wanted to pretty much be on my own with my hair. The third reason why I locked my hair is because I wanted to build my self-confidence. I didn't know what I looked like outside of sew-ins, outside of hair that was midway down my back. I didn't know what I looked like. And when I took out my sew-ins, I never gave my hair a chance to breathe. I never went not even a day or two just to see what my hair looks like. And I felt that that was something internal that I needed to change. The fact that I did not feel comfortable without wearing a sew-in, that really hit hard for me. And I'm like, the only way that I'm going to get true self-confidence is to learn how to deal with myself outside of adding hair to my head. I wanted to actually build my self-confidence when it came to what I see when I look in the mirror without any added hair extensions. Now, this reason, it might be controversial, but this is really how I felt. So the fourth reason why I decided to lock my hair is because I wanted to find and keep a good guy. So I could say so much about this. I think this is a whole topic in itself, but I was tired of not being uniquely me. I was tired of just not being authentic to myself. And I felt like with me not being authentic to myself, I wasn't actually embracing my self-confidence, which I was also building, but I couldn't build it because I was always wearing, adding things to myself to try to enhance myself. And I just decided that, you know what? How can I ever expect to find a guy or expect a guy to truly appreciate me for me if I can't even truly appreciate me for me? So I said to myself, you know what? I need to lock my hair because I didn't want to get a baldy. I didn't want to shave off my head. I didn't want to get a TWA. I didn't want to do any of that. I had a good amount of hair. Like I actually had about 13 to 15 inches of hair the time that I decided to lock. So I said, I'm just going to lock my hair. And hopefully locking my hair will, keep the boys over here and attract better quality guys over here. And it's interesting because as soon as I locked my hair, I would say within 2 or 3 months I met my now current partner, and we've been together now going on, actually, yeah, it's gonna be 5 years in October, so I guess it worked, right? And then the last reason why I locked my hair is because I'm just lazy with my hair. Even when I had sew-ins, I just was lazy with my hair. And I'm also active. So I do like to go to the gym. I do break a sweat. And I didn't care that my hair was sewed up and the braids was stale and stinking underneath. I wouldn't take out those sew-ins. And I would leave my sew-ins I would leave them in for like 3 or 4 months at a time, seriously. So I was like, you know what? If I want to work out, if I want to be my active self without worrying about my hair stinking, because it stinks. Like, trust me, when you have a sew-in and you be going to the gym and you be sweating and you do not care for that scalp or take those, it stinks and it also molds up. And it happened to me a few times. So I said, you know what? I'm too active for this and I'm too lazy with my hair. So I might as well lock my hair. So at least when I do sweat, I can wash it and just let it go. So those are the 5 reasons why I decided to lock my hair. Hopefully it was a little bit insightful to you. Maybe you guys have similar reasons why you locked your hair or you want to lock your hair. But nonetheless, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you really like this video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for stopping by and tuning in. Y'all take care of yourselves. Peace out. And I'll see y'all in the next video.